Everyone, come to the living room.
Hey,
Come on, monkey. Welcome, Catty. And here's Raccoon. I see you've seen the surprise eggs. Wow! What's wrong, Granny? Oops! It looks like Dr. Spooky has snuck into the party. It's a fortune wheel! What are Dr. Spooky's plans? The wheel is spinning! It's going to land on the dinosaur! Almost! It's on blue! Wow! Look at the costume that Granny got! Let's go, monkey! It's your turn! The wheel is spinning! Red! What a pretty little bird! The wheel is spinning! Oh, it landed on green! Amazing! Kit's turn! The wheel is spinning! Yellow! There was a scooter inside the egg! That's great! Let's go, Raccoon! The wheel is spinning! Orange! Aw, how sweet! Uh-oh, but Raccoon doesn't like his prize. But good guy Monkey swaps him for his. That's what Dr. Spooky wanted, to steal an egg. No, Dr. Spooky, you have to spin the wheel. The wheel is spinning. No, it landed on the dinosaur. It's a cuddly dinosaur. Aww. What a beautiful sunny day. The birds are singing, the sun is shining, and... Raccoon is looking for something in the bushes. Oh, it's a ball. No, it wasn't that he was looking for. Aha, it was an Easter egg. Oh, now I get it. It's an Easter egg hunt. And everyone is taking part. How fun! When they find the last egg, Granny will give them a gift. Let's go! What's that strange mosquito? Dr. Spooky, you again? What? A dinosaur? A dinosaur that breathes fire! You're so evil, Dr. Spooky. The fire-breathing dinosaur, a baby dinosaur, and... A dinosaur egg! Oh no! Dr. Spooky is in the laboratory! What is he doing? The dinosaur egg! Yeah. Dr. Spooky's going to switch the purple Easter egg with the dinosaur egg. Oh no! Uh-oh! Monkey! Everyone look at Granny! The egg opens, the dinosaur goes toward the house, and the dinosaur shakes the house! There's the dinosaur! Uh-oh, it's going towards Monkey. Be careful. What? Aw, the baby dinosaur just wants to play. Pass him the ball, Monkey. What a good hit! How cute! It's time to find out what Granny's gift was, but wait a minute, it's not here. It's an Easter bunny! Dr. Spooky has it! Because deep down, even he has a soft side. It's Granny's birthday! Come on, Granny, make a wish! Wow, look at all the presents! Let's go, it's time to open them! A doll? Oh, Monkey, it seems like Granny didn't like it very much. Your turn, Raccoon. Let's see what your present is. Wait a minute, that's a scooter? Raccoon, it was supposed to be a gift for Granny, not you. Don't worry, Granny, there are still some gifts left. Let's see Kit's. I'm sure you'll love this one. What? A game console? And Kit won't even let her try it out. None of you thought about what Granny actually likes. You're all so selfish. Oh, Granny. Wait a minute. Caddy still hasn't given you her gift. It's so nice, Caddy. You're the kind of friend everyone would like to have. And everyone else learned a beautiful lesson. The best gift is one that is given from the heart. Hi, Caddy. Wow, let's not bother Caddy. She's doing her daily Tai Chi training. What's that red dot? I have no idea. But Caddy loves it. It's Dr. Spooky! And the red dot is nothing more than the light from his laser pointer. Careful, Catty. It's all part of Dr. Spooky's plan. Oh, no! To the cat soaker. You're so evil, Dr. Spooky. What do you think, Granny? Aha! Let's see what your idea is. And on top of that, he's making fun of Catty. We have to give him what he deserves. Dr. Spooky is fleeing towards his ship. But what? Granny? Ha ha ha! What a great plan! Bad deeds have their consequences, Dr. Spooky. You'll think twice next time. Or maybe not. Today we're having a painting class with Kangoo. We're going to paint a beautiful rural landscape with a tractor. Let's measure it carefully. And get to work. You're becoming quite the artist, Kangoo. Now it's time for the colors. The red is for the tractor. What can we use yellow for? Exactly, for the sun. And the sky is a beautiful blue color. What can we paint with the green? That's it, the treetop. And one more thing is green. The grass. Uh-oh, we ran out of green. Let's think. What can we do? Aha! If you take blue and yellow and mix them really, really well, you got green. And we can finish painting the grass. That's a beautiful painting, Kangoo. This is awesome! Cowabunga! Yeah, Kangoo! Yee-haw! But what? What just happened? The ocean is drying up. Aha! Look out there! That's Dr. Spooky's robot. Let's tell the mermaids. Girls, you're not gonna believe what... Oops. Okay, I think you noticed. How can you be so evil, Dr. Spooky? We have to do something, Superzoo team. There's the robot. If we unscrew that screw, the backpack will open and the water will flow back into the ocean. Great! To the transformation capsules! Monkey! Kangoo! We're going to return the water to the ocean, Dr. Spooky. Get ready! What a good idea, Monkey! He's really high up. He's carefully preparing. He's gaining momentum. Lots of momentum. And take off! What a great landing! Give us one of your drawings, Kangoo. What a good idea! A tool to loosen the screw. Let's go, Kangoo. That's it! Good job! Oh no! What does that button do? Be careful, monkey! No! Kangoo, you have to hurry up! Yeah, you did it, Kangoo! Haha! See you later, Dr. Spooky! But where is Monkey? Oh, there he is. It seems he's been making some new friends. And there's Kangoo. Hello again, my mermaid friends. We're happy you're okay. The ocean is perfect now for playing cards. But no cheating. I always play clean. I always play clean. Write that one down, Dr. Spooky.
Banana do 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 banana do 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 banana. Strawberry do 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 strawberry do 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 strawberry do 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 strawberry. Pineapple do 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 pineapple do 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 pineapple do 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 pineapple. Watermelon do 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 watermelon do 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 watermelon do 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 watermelon. Fruits are great do 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 fruits are great do 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 fruits are great do 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 fruits are great. Fruits are great do 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 fruits are great do 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 fruits are great do 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 fruits are great.
Today we're having a painting class with Kangoo. We are going to paint Santa Claus himself. Ho, ho, ho! Let's measure it carefully. And get to work. You're becoming quite the artist, Kangoo. Now it's time for the colors. The red is for Santa's suit. What can we use the color black for? Exactly, for his boots and belt. And the sky is a beautiful pink color. What can we paint with the color purple? That's it, the mountains! And we need something green. The huge present! Uh-oh, we ran out of green. Aha! If you take blue and yellow and mix them really, really well, you got green. And now we can finish painting the present. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, boys and girls! This is so fun! The Superzoo team organized a bike race for today. Wow, that's quite a course! What? What is Dr. Spooky doing here? Doesn't he have his own plans? He's such a nuisance. He wants to participate in the race with his ship. That cheater is so cocky. Good thing Caddy always has good ideas. Let's see if Kit can help us beat Dr. Spooky. Good idea. We can use renewable energy so the bikes go faster. We'll show you, Dr. Spooky. The wind and the sun are on our side. The Superzoo team is going to have some super bicycles. They're so cool. And for Caddy, a super apple, so she has lots of energy to win. To the transformation capsules. Caddy. Monkey. Kangoo. The Superzoo team is here, Dr. Spooky. You're going to be sorry you challenged them to a race. On your marks, get set. Dr. Spooky took off before the signal. I told you he was a cheater. Watch out, monkey. That's a lot of power. Hey, we need the sun to wake up so that it charges up Kangoo's bike. Rise and shine, son of mine. Yay, there are the sunbeams in all their splendor. Time for some speed. Let's go, Caddy. It's time to pedal the way you know how to. That cloud of smoke is going to keep the Superzoo team from seeing the road. Come on, monkey. Friends are always there to help each other out. Caddy is going really fast. It seems like she's going to overtake Dr. Spooky. What? A trampoline? Whoa! I wasn't expecting that. Come on, kids. You have to keep going. That's it, spookers. Get out of here. Uh-oh. What? Of course, if the sunlight doesn't reach Kangoo's bike, he can't go fast. Dr. Spooky is going to win the race thanks to his cheating. What is Kangoo drawing? Great idea. He's going to use the mirrors to reflect the sunbeams so they hit the solar panels. Surprise, Dr. Spooky. It's impossible to keep up with him. Unless he runs out of gas. That's it. Ha ha. See you later, alligator. And the Superzoo team wins the race. Bravo! That's a well-deserved trophy. How ridiculous! See you next time, or not. Monkey and Catty are playing with slime. And Dr. Spooky is spying on them. What is he up to this time? A bowl, a bottle of glue, a mortar and pestle, detergent, and a strange green ingredient. Dr. Spooky is making slime! Yuck! His mixture looks like a giant booger. Oops, it seems like he's forgetting something. What's up with the minions? They want to add detergent to the mix. Dr. Spooky almost caught them. There they go again. Oh, no, no! Quick, now's your chance. Let's mess with Dr. Spooky a little bit. That's it. It seems like something is wrong. Oh, uh-oh. Super slime bath. Someone's going to have to really clean up his laboratory.